Hey, welcome to another episode of DIY Karmas. I'm Jeff, and in this video, I'll be doing a HID install on this 2018 Honda Civic Hatchback. Here is the HID kit I'll be using. It's HID ballast, and these are the TRS 35 watt 5500K HID bulbs. This right here is a H11B, because this right here requires a H11B where the return wire will face straight down. If you get the regular H11, they'll cast a shadow because of the return wire. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and remove the socket for the low beam, and then turn this counterclockwise to remove the bulb, and then take the HID bulb, insert the HID bulb into the headlight housing, push it straight down, and then turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Make sure this is straight up and down, because that's where the return wire should be, in the very bottom right there. And then I'm going to connect the HID ballast to the HID bulb and to the stock wire harness. So from the HID bulb, there's going to be 2 amp connectors, and there's going to be this wire adapter harness. And from the HID ballast are going to be 2 amp connectors and one 9006 socket right here. So this wire adapter harness, what's going to happen is it's going to take this 9006 and convert it into a H11, so that it'll be direct plug and play for this particular vehicle. And the amp connectors just gets connected to the amp connectors from the HID ballast that connects to the HID bulb. So here, to the amp connectors first, very simple, can't mess it up. Right, so amp connectors are connected. And then I'm going to take the wire harness adapter and connect it to the HID ballast 9006 plug, like that. And take this end and connect it to the stock wire harness, which is right here. And so the black is ground, pink right here is positive. So I'm just gonna line that up. So black is ground, red is positive. And there you go, it's connected. Now, before I tidy up all the wires and hide everything with zip ties, I'm gonna turn on the headlights and verify that this works. It's normal to hear a buzzing when it first starts. And so right now, the buzzing sound was a little bit loud when it started, but you could barely hear it now, and it works. So here is the HID side, and here is the stock side. Stock, off-white color, and the new HIDs, which are pure white over there. It matches the DRL LEDs from the stock pretty well. And so I'm gonna go ahead and work on this side, turn off the headlights, and finish up on this side. All right, so there you go. So both passenger and driver side is switched out to the new HID setup. I'm using the retrofit source, H11B 5500K. All right, so here is the color of the stock halogen bulb at nighttime. As you can see, it's off-white. And here is the light output from the stock halogen bulbs on this 2018 Civic. As you can see right here, the light output is very intense in the middle, but it really fades off on the sides, and it actually has a slope as well. It's not a very straight, and then the cutoff, really the step is very hard to see, but it's kind of there. And here is the light output with the HIDs installed. This is using the TRS 5500K paired with the 35 watt ballast. And as you can see, the intensity is still there. It's very intense in the middle, but it's similar to the regular stock halogen bulb. It kind of slopes towards the end. And the color for the HIDs is pure white, as you can see right here. And the color of the HIDs, actually, it does match this parking lights as well. On the camera, it's kind of doesn't look like it does, but if you look at real life, it's pretty close. All right, so this completes a tutorial on how to swap the stock halogen bulb to an HID kit for the 10th Gen Honda Civic. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. I'll have the link for all the products I use in the video description below, so check it out. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, where I do free monthly giveaways for my YouTube subscribers every month. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.